Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for February of 2024. I'm so excited about this set. Now listen, this is one of those sets we've done years ago. We vaulted it years ago and I wanted to bring it back, but I had no idea just how cute this would turn out, and I'm very, very, very happy with it, and I know you guys will be too. Matter of fact, just go ahead and make a spot on your desk for this one because it's never going to leave. It's going to sit really close to you, okay? Because you're going to use it every single time you make a project. All right, check this one out. This one is called Made by a Made It. Now, our other set that we vaulted ages ago was called Handmade with Love. I'm pretty sure that was the name of it. But we called this one Made by a Made It. Why? Because you guys are made it. And we even put I'm a Made It on this set. Now, let's talk about how cute this is. I know you're like, well, that's just a stamp set. No, check this out. All of these little images right down here fit inside this little art that says Handmade Just for You. And it is so cute on the back of your card. I'm going to show you. Now, here's what I want to tell you. On the product page, if you go to the product page for this product, Sylvia's sample sheets will be there. And she has got so many samples showing you how you can mix all of this up. But I want to point out some things to you. So let's say you're making cards for Christmas and you want to sign them with a Christmas theme. You can because you got a Christmas tree right there. Let's say you made a birthday card for somebody and you want the card to have a birthday feel. You can because there's a birthday cake or a present. Let's say you're making a sympathy card or a get well card and you want it to be softer and more simple on the back. You've got love, you've got a heart with a cross, or you've got with love here. Let's say you sewed a project and you're giving a present with a card that you sewed. There's a sewing machine. Let's say you knitted something. There's a knitting machine. Let's say you glued things and cut things. There's glue and paper. Maybe you're given a folio. Look at the camera. Maybe it's a wedding present. You want to do the little truck right here, and then the little hearts can come out beside it. Would be super cute. And then what else did I miss? There's balloons for a birthday. There's a bunny for an Easter card. There's a pumpkin for something in the fall. There's a little birdie for something in the spring. Flowers, it's all here for you to use, okay? You also get handmade just for you, handmade in an arc, with love. So you could do handmade at the top with an image and then with love. And then you get the word by with the dot dot, so you can put that anywhere you want it. All right, let me show you some samples. This just happened. I did not plan this way. But if you're with us the other night, we made these 12 cards on the live show. This worked out perfect for me to show you 12 different ways to use this. So in this one, what I did was I stamped a little bunny, and instead of going just directly up over the top, I twisted the stamp so it kind of turned like this, and I'll sign it here. Isn't that cute? This one, a Christmas theme, handmade just for you by. This one, handmade just for you. So you don't have to sign it. You can just do that. I'm a Made It. You could put this on every single thing you make. I think that's adorable. Handmade just for you by, and you can sign it down here. Same again with the little coffee cup. So for your buddies that drink coffee with you or you have tea together, look at this one with the little camera. I just love this set. This may be one of my favorites. I love this little envelope. I think that's so cute. And then the flowers. There's the little truck, and this is perfect for a little wedding card. I think that'd be perfect. How about this one? With love, there's a little gift, and then you can sign it. So you can mix this up in so many different ways. And then that one is so adorable. I love the stamp set. I also think that these little images are so cute, and you'll get use out of them in so many different places. Because I'm thinking backgrounds would be really cute to do a bunch of these little images stamped all over the background of a back of a card base or something like that, of a matte layer. I think it would be so adorable. So look at that. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, you guys, because there's so many things you can do with this set. You're going to want to use it every time, all the time. I love it too. All right. As always, you can win a $50 gift card. You could have already won from last month, so you want to check the top line of the description of this video and see if you won that one. Or if you use this on any project and you share it to our customer gallery, you're entered to win. The gift card will be given away next month. Okay, so make sure you do that. But how precious. This is going to be one you use a lot. This one's going to get worn out. You might want to pick up a backup because you're going to use it a lot. All right, you guys, thanks so much for being here and being part of our club. And until next time, bye now.